Nothing says I'm taking care of myself like a big bowl of beef and noodles. It's the ultimate culinary hug. To get that deep, savory flavor without spending 6 hours over a stove, we're going with a one-pot savory beef and egg noodle approach. Here's a recipe that balances gourmet taste with I have things to do today. The ingredients: item, amount pro tip beef stew. Meat 1.5 lbs cut into bite-sized 1-inch cubes. Egg noodles 12, Oz wide or extra wide, hold the sauce best. Beef broth 4 cups low sodium allows you to control the salt. Onion and garlic onion, 3 cloves, the aromatic backbone of the dish. Worcestershire sauce 2 TBSP, this is your secret weapon for depth. Mushrooms 8 Oz optional, but adds great earthy texture. Cornstarch slurry 2 TBSP plus water to get that silky gravy-like finish. The game plan: sear the beef. Season the beef liberally with salt and pepper. In a large pot or Dutch oven, sear the meat in a bit of oil over medium-high heat until browned on all sides. Don't crowd the pan, do it in batches if you have to. Remove the meat and set aside. Sauté the veggies. In the same pot, keep those brown bits. Add your diced onion and mushrooms. Cook until softened. Add the garlic for the last 60 seconds so it doesn't burn. The simmer. Pour in the beef broth and Worcestershire sauce. Add the beef back in. Cover and simmer on low for about 45-60 minutes. This is what makes the beef melt in your mouth tender. The noodles. Once the beef is tender, bring the liquid back to a gentle boil. Drop in your egg noodles. They usually take about 7 to 9 minutes to cook right in the broth. The finish. Mix your cornstarch with a splash of cold water and stir it into the pot. Let it bubble for a minute until the sauce thickens into a glossy gravy. Peer-to-peer advice. If the liquid gets too low while the noodles are cooking, don't panic. Just add another half cup of water or broth. You want it saucy, not dry. Variations to try. The creamy route. Stir in a half cup of sour cream at the very end, off the heat, for a beef stroganoff vibe.